Hi, I'm Charlotte Nicholson, a core energy coach helping people accelerate their success and fulfillment in life. In this 3-part webinar series hosted by the Association for Coaching, we're going to deep dive into energy leadership mastery. So energy is everything, and research shows that the higher your overall energy level, the more success and fulfilled you'll be in life. So understanding what affects your energy and how you think, feel and act is a key starting point. So through years of experiences that have shaped our beliefs and behaviours, we also develop default tendencies, meaning the way that we tend to perceive and react to certain situations, circumstances and the environment around us, which give us the same results. Now, energy leadership interrupts this process so that you can decide what you focus on, interrupting that self-perpetuating thinking. You're going to learn the energy leadership framework. You're going to have an understanding of the 7 levels of energy and recognize the 7 choices that you have in any given circumstance, and an awareness of your tendencies during normal and stressful times. Now, with the knowledge that you're going to gain, you'll learn how to shift your energy and that of your clients to break the self-perpetuating cycle created by your default tendencies so that you can spend less time feeling helpless and more time creating sustainable results. So before you go, just think of the possibility and the impact that energy leadership could have on your clients in helping them get out of their own way and on a path to sustainable and consistent results. So join me on Friday the 28th of May and the 11th and the 25th of June, and follow the link that accompanies this video to sign up and join the program. Now, I can't wait to share this information with you that has changed my life personally and the life of countless other people from all walks of life.